Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I would like to share with you how I make delicious pickled cucumbers.
My name is Natalia. I like to cook healthy and delicious plant-based recipes. If you are new here, consider subscribing and hitting the bell so you can stay up to date. We are going to make some amazing recipes together. Let's jump into the video.
You will need 2 pounds of cucumbers. Cut the ends on each side. Then cut each cucumber in 8 pieces. Put them in the Ziplock bag. Chop dill. Squeeze juice from 1 lemon. Press 3 garlic cloves. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Close the bag and shake everything. Leave it on the countertop for 3 hours. Shake them every 30 minutes. Then put it into the refrigerator. They can stay in the refrigerator up to 1 week. Now our delicious cucumbers are ready.
Oh, it smells so delicious.
Enjoy!
If you enjoy this video and want to see many more delicious recipes, go ahead and like, comment and subscribe. We will see you in the next one.